How to join Telegram group via QR code. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can join a Telegram group via a QR code, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to join a Telegram group via QR code, you need a QR code scanner. Most of the phones already have a QR code scanner by default. Example, on my Samsung Galaxy device, I already do have QR scanner, which is scan QR code. I can look for it in the quick setting. If you don't have, you can download an app from your Play Store, which is QR code scanner. Any app is going to do the job, so there's really nothing to worry about. Then open up the scanner application here. Now obviously if we had a picture on the other phone, we would be able to scan it, but I have a QR code on my gallery, so I can select the gallery icon here. Then I can simply choose that particular QR code here. Once I've done that, I can simply enter here like this, tap on done. It will automatically recognize the QR code, and I can just tap on open link option. Then it will open the link in the Telegram app, and you can just go ahead and then join the group in that way. This way you should be able to basically go ahead and then join a Telegram group via QR code. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.